So now what we're going to do is we're going to basically update our template. And I've given you videos on that. So I'm just going to go over it really quickly. What we do need to do is we need to put in, so right now we have our actual scores, right? We need to basically convert this into two numbers for each team, right? The offense and the defense. For Chicago, 28 would be the number for the offense, but for the defense it would be 41. The way we've got it all set up now, it's only giving us one for each team, and it's just their offense. So now you have to put in the defense in here. So here's what I'm going to do. Select J, and I'm going to go Insert. Okay, everybody do that? Okay. Now over here, so let's go to tab 13. Oh, actually I have it on the other side. Never mind. Okay. So in this instance here, you'll notice I have, hopefully this will work, I have basically put in what numbers correspond to what. Well, actually, we're going to do it from scratch. Never mind. Next time we can. So this will be actual score. Okay. So for Chicago defense is going to equal, or for the defense, what number? 41. So let's click on this one. Hit return. See if 41 comes up. Yep. Okay, now for the Chicago offense, I'm going to hit equals. Now, what number is that going to be? For the offense, how many? 28. Hit return. Okay, Dallas defense. 28. So we're basically telling it to select this one here. Hit return. And then this one is going to be how much Dallas scored, which was 41. So I'm going to hit this one. Everybody with me? Okay. This is what makes your life much easier, is select these 4 cells. Hit Control C. I'm going to see if this will work. I think it will. Okay. I've selected everything, all these other cells in that column. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit Paste Formulas. So paste. Work. And now. Yeah, I think it did. Didn't it? 42, 21, 21, 42. 24, 0, 0, 24. Who scored 0? Oh, Washington. They're horrible. Okay. Now you have... This is all going to be on you now. Okay, we're going to take this information. I'm going to select the teams. I'll just paste it to our main one, all right? So we've selected these 2 columns. Go to the main menu. And this is kind of where we've been putting them for each week. Select AQ, the cell here, and just hit Command V. Oh, wait. No. Did yours work? Let me try. I must not have copied it again. Okay. So we're hitting here. Control C. Go back to the beginning. Main. Control V. Okay. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Obviously, we've got these. Here's Arizona. These are all alphabetical. So now what do I got to do? Come on, hamster. You wake up. What do you do? Alphabetical, right? Sort. So go to your sort, the Z through A to Z. Let's go ascending. Okay, now it's in a format for you to update all your stuff. So remember, we got to add a column here, add another column here. Basically, we have to update. We have to recalculate our median, our means and medians. There is a video tutorial on how to do this. And in fact, here's what I want you to do. Your main goal is to basically update this spreadsheet. And we'll check, and I'll check tomorrow to make sure you guys updated it correctly. If you're not getting the same values than I am, then something went wrong. So again, there's plenty of video tutorials to tell you how to do this. And we've done it before. I walked you through it. Now I want you to do it on your own. So update all this. Get your matchup. So actually, don't worry about your index right now. You know that index we were going to do? Let's do that next time. Here's what I want you to do. I want you, now that you have these values here from week 14, I want you to go through this whole thing and update all your template by tomorrow. Okay, actually, and if you do have time, you can do the index thing for sure. All right.